remember what we were saying, that when you're in Nidra state, you're very suggestible and you're very relaxed. And oftentimes you can really experience something very deeply through intentionality, or through what they call in Nidra a Sankalpa, setting an intention for your session. And this is done near the beginning of the session, maybe during the guided relaxation as part of it. Now let's please set an intention for your session. An example of that, it's a very short affirmative statement. Usually it's I am something. I am safe. I am prosperous. I am healed, or I am well, or whatever the word it is. That's a good thing to have. And it's present tense. It's not like I will be, or I was, or I hope to be, or maybe I will, I can. It's like I am. I am this thing. Even though you're not, that's your intention, is to be that. I am something. Repeat it silently 3 times. Now, come back to this intention at the very end of the Gong Nidra session. You will again remember and repeat this affirmation, this Sankalpa, this intention, 3 more times at the end. And it's usually very instructive or very elevating that when you say it at the end of the session, it's much more powerful and affirmative than at the beginning. In other words, through the session itself, you'll start to experience that intention you set. And it's a small thing, but it's really a seed that's planted in very fertile ground. Because remember, in the session, you're very suggestible, receptive to input. And if the last thing you input is that intentionality, that is a very powerful way to carry forward the energy and effect of the session.